Now let's try the iPhones, the WioSwitch, the app. Go to the setting first. Type default. So the old setting, the first one, the yellow second one, the blue, green, brown is different, is 5 switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is for different 5 buttons. Let's go back. You will see everything back to normal. This is default. This is fixed, the icon, the symbol, and the symbol name. No, I'm sorry. The name you can change any name you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's go to the settings. We will disable, make the lamp, the text disappear. Go to the setting. First one is the symbols. Second one, you can change any name you want, but right now we just cancel, delete everything. So let's back, see what happens. So you see the lamps, the text is disappear. Now let's try the second one, the yellow one. Setting. Go to this one. Type the code. Go back. So it's gone. Now so you can see, you can disable this one too. So now let's change it, make the symbol a little bit bigger. Go to the setting. You can see right now it's 80s. Now let's change this one. Make like a 120 or 220. Now back. You see, it will become very big. So you can arrange which one you like. Some you think is important, so you make it bigger. If you think it's not important, you make it smaller. Let's try again. Go to the setting. If you just type default, so you can see the 220 will back to the 80s. Let's go back, try here. So it's back to the default. Let's try again. Disable. Take out the device name. This one too. The green one. The brown one. So let's tap the back. So you can see all the text disappear. Okay. Now we will try to make anyone to control this device. So we just simply go to the setting. Go to the first one. You can see the enter IDs is nothing here. So we type inside. I put a name for this one for X1. So you can, in the future, you can change any name you want. So the ID and the messenger will just like the device password for this one. So we will type XyzXyz. XY. Okay, you see? Okay, now let's enter the messenger. If we put a T is for a toggle. You can small letter T or capital T, big one, is same. So make sure the WioSwitch XyZ T. The WioSwitch you can change right now. So XyZ is for this device. And over here is a tiny speaker. So we will control the speaker to make the speaker make a sound. Okay, let's back. Okay, so this is first one. Let's try it. You can see toggle off. I go to the setting again. T is for toggle. If we change this different messaging, like G13. G13 is for the GPIO pin 13. So this one, you can change the code, and you just put a different message and put a different function. So your device will follow your function. So let's go back. See, it's just beep. Before it's toggle, it's on and off. Right now, it's just 15 nanoseconds. Okay, now try the second one. Type of setting. Go to the yellow one. Now we can change the size if you want. Make it bigger. So make it bigger, so it's easy for some people. So the first one is G13. Another one is ABC, the before Y setting. ABC is a little bit longer. G13 is a little bit shorter. Now let's try the green one. Now this time I make the T a little bit bigger. Small letter T, capital D, T is the same. Just for toggle. So green one is for T. The yellow one is for trigger 1 second. This one, G13, is for half seconds. The last one, if we just delete everything, just delete the symbols, so you will know what happens. Let's back. When we back, you can see the brown one is gone. It's just disappear. If you want the first one disappear too, you can go to setting, and you go to type the first one, and go back. So it's gone. So so sometimes with too many buttons, for some people, they will confuse. So we just make a 2. So the first one, let's try it. You can see this sound, the speak sound, this speak, tiny speak, will make a sound. And if you know how to program, or in the future, we will supply to you. We will give to you different code. We will put on the GitHub, so you can download from GitHub, so you can see what happens if you try to set up for your garage door. Oh, okay. Let's go back, go to settings. We'll go to here. You can see over here have the show and enter your ID. The show is for special for the garage door purpose. So let's try again. X, Y, Z. Remember the blue one is for the center. Is for this one. Okay. After you set, especially for this one, for these symbols, this symbol is show your garage door is closed or open. Right now it's show closed, right? So if you set this for this one, you have to get out first. So just close the app, go back to the app again. See, it changed, become garage door is open. So here's the sensor we can test on. See, if the garage door sensor is close to the sensor, the door will close. If the garage, the sensor is away from the garage door, so garage door will show open. Let's try again. Close, open, close, open. Pretty easy. Let's back. So that's how we test. We can use our Apple Watch or iPhone to control the ESP8266 device. Sure, and very easy to control. Give it a try.